Good morning, everyone. Today, in our analog and digital communication lecture series, we are going to see about FM receiver. That's a frequency modulation receiver. As we know already, frequency modulation is a one type of a analog modulation method where the carrier signal will be varied in accordance with the voltage of the input signal. So this is called a frequency modulation. In this section, we are going to see about the receiver, FM receiver, how the FM transmitter signal will be received in the receiver section and their operation we will going to see. So come, let's see the block diagram first. So this is the FM receiver block diagram where we have RF tuned amplifier, mixer section is there, and local oscillator will be given to the mixer section, and IF tuned amplifier, delayed AGC, that is automatic gain control, then limiter, discriminator, AFC automatic frequency control, de-emphasis, voltage and tone control, power amplifier, and the output section. So let's see what are the operations each block performing one by one. So RF tuned amplifier. So these amplifiers are used to impedance matching to minimize noise level. And then mixer, as we already discussed in a super heterogeneous receiver, the mixer is used to mix the local oscillator signal and as well as the input signal, and it will produce the some intermediate frequency. So same like here, the oscillator circuits or take any form to mix up the frequency modulated signal for performing the operation. In such circuit, central frequency or change but deviation are constant. Then intermediate frequency, that is called as IF frequency amplifier. So the intermediate frequency amplifier provides most of the gain and bandwidth requirement of the receiver. And after that, limiter. So limiters are those circuit which allows the certain frequency range to pass out and block other signals. So this is the operation of the limiter. And because in a receiver section, usually when you receive the signal, so many signals will be there in the medium, but we need only the particular frequency range. So to receive the particular frequency, we have this section. So this will allow only the certain frequency range to pass out and block to the other signals, so that other signal interference can be eliminated. The next section, discriminator. The discriminator change FM into AM. A simple diode deduction then recover the intelligence contained in the envelope of AM waveform. So from the so in this section, FM will be changed to AM, and by the envelope detection method, from the AM waveform we can detect the data. So that is a signal. Then de-emphasis. So de-emphasis is nothing but of we know in a transmitter section, FM transmitter section, pre-emphasis is there. So in a receiver section we have a de-emphasis. So the de-emphasis is nothing but of the artificial boosting given to the higher modulating frequency in the process of pre-emphasis is nullified, because in I said in FM transmitter section we have a pre-emphasis section, that is artificially we are boosting the signal, that is called a free emphasis. And in the case of de-emphasis, it is nullified or compensated at the receiver by the process of de-emphasis. So just opposite to the pre-emphasis process is de-emphasis. And volume and tone controller. In this circuit, it controls the efficiency of audio signal. The signal whose efficiency is more than audible range or neglected in the circuit. So it will control the audio range. Then power amplifier. So the power amplifier gives the required power level to the signal which passes through the loudspeaker. So the loudspeaker is the output device where we can hear the audio signal. So why we are using the power amplifier before the loudspeaker, that's before the output section, means actually the signal will be what very less strength, so it won't be we won't able to hear the output in the output section. So we need to boost up the audio signal to the required level, then only we can able to hear the signal. So that's why we are having the power amplifier in the FM receiver section before the loudspeaker. So this is the power amplifier blocks operation. So this is the total block diagram and its operation of the FM receiver. Thank you.